You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city in Minnesota, or also the capital of the Caribbean island nation of Dominica. It's also a French word. In French it is said as Roseau. In English, Roseau. It may be said sometimes also as Roseau, because in French, Roseau, there's no particular emphasis on any particular syllable. So in English both are correct, Roseau or Roseau, because in French again, Roseau. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.